It's a beautiful day. Look at the beautiful sky. So I'm waiting on Delana and Benson to come out. We're headed to the thrift store. She wants to look for some things. And I'm just going along for the ride, really. I need nothing. But y'all, I'm going to show y'all my beautiful flowers here in the front yard. The daylilies I'm fixing to show you, I actually got from Sarah and Cody's house. And then the other ones were purchased, I think at Lowe's a few years ago. Let me show you. These are the ones that come from Cody and Sarah's. Aren't they pretty? They're Benson. And then these is my other little flower bed. They're doing so good. My petunias come from my granny. The daylilies come from, I think, Lowe's. They're doing really good. It's never dull, never dull, never a dull moment. No, you get over here in your seat. No, stop it. Good morning, y'all. It's beautiful. The wind's blowing. It's nice out here. Got up and got Buster out here. Excuse me, I'm still waking up myself. Y'all don't look at the hair. I woke up like this. Don't be hating. But anyway, hoping we get to paint the table today, y'all. I hope. I think we may. That's kind of our plan, if you will. But I'm just gonna get on here and say hello. I'm gonna show y'all my hibiscus tree. It is beautiful. Just ignore my little paint can collection I have going on beside it. But let me show y'all real quick. Look how beautiful. I don't think we're gonna be painting the table today. The wind's gonna be too much. And it's not gonna get any better as the day goes on. I just checked the forecast, so. That's a bummer. But it is what it is. And just like that, it cleared right on up. It's crazy. The weather truly fascinates me. Fascinating. Ready to go inside? You ready to go inside? You so cute. Buster, you're so cute. You wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a ride? Ask Daddy. Can you go? Watch every time I say the G-O word. You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go? Ask Daddy if you can go. Ask Daddy.
You know you're gonna go, don't you?
Where we going, James? What we doing, James?
Going to help the kids.
Always doing something for these children. Have kids, they say. Dad to the rescue. Tyler had a wreck a couple days ago. He's fine, he wasn't hurt, but his car's messed up. Airbag deflated. So we had to go pick his car up today for him and bring it here. I'll show you his car. Thank God he wasn't hurt. So now we're gonna walk inside and see what they've done on our house. Okay, so they have taken out one of the French doors and left one. I'm anxious to see what it looks like on the inside. They got new French doors with new hardware. That looks good. They've started on the pool. That looks really good. Right, so this is Tyler's room. Oh wow.
Yeah, so everybody's doing real good.
He took all these bookcases out of here? He took all these out? I thought he was leaving one.
I took them all out.
Who knows? Never know what they're gonna do. This looks so good. The wall is out. The cabinets are down. That's where the doors were taken out. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Let's go look at this bathroom that was a train wreck. Awesome. So this is where the weird vanity was, and then all this was open. Then there was 2 more vanities. They're gonna put the toilet in here. Oh, that looks good. Now this bathroom makes sense, don't it, James? And then let's see, they put this wall up? No? Okay. So back here in their room, let's see what's been done. There's water on the floor. Oh, it must have been the toilet. They took that closet out, walled that up, and then in their bathroom, they actually, hold on, let me get this light. Put the door in here, and then this is their new walk-in closet. How awesome is this? With a window. This is where the toilet originally was. That's awesome. And then this is where, James, correct me if I'm wrong, this is where the shower was, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cool. Nice size closet. She was worried it was gonna be small, but I don't think that's gonna be an issue. Yay, good for her. Front door and new door over there going out. But man, does this not look massive now? Looks so good. So good. And I think the painter's coming next week. And they did fix that, but all this is getting changed. This is gonna be the pantry, and that's gonna be the laundry room. James, it's been a day, huh? Are you exhausted?
All you did was ride.
So, I'm still exhausted.
Oh my goodness.
I just watered the back 40. You reckon
I put in an irrigation system.
You reckon our cucumbers are gonna straighten out and like start?
Oh.
We got a trellis, a rose trellis. It's crooked,
Oh my
but
God.
the ground is hard, and we got it in there, the ground, the best we could. But it's driving me crazy because it's crooked. But as the ground softens up with the wet, 'cause we're supposed to get rain starting tomorrow all the way through next Thursday, I think. We ain't never gonna get this table painted. Anyway, as the ground softens, maybe we can kind of straighten it out a little bit, huh?
As long as I can eat off the table, it's fine.
But it's been a day. I'm exhausted. The kids' house is looking so good. We're so proud for them, huh?
Yeah, that guy's doing a good job.
Doing a real good job. Fast, too. So, anyway. No rest for me today. No rest. None. No rest.
You didn't have to pick the car up and put it on the trailer. I'd already done that by the time you got there.
I had to walk out 5 miles to get to where you was at after you dropped me off at the door. He dropped me off at the door at Lowe's because, you know.
Somebody had to go tinkle.
I had to go to the bathroom. So he dropped me off at the door. Went and picked the car up. And then I had to walk all the way out to where the car was in the blazing hot sun. James, can you just show me a little tenderness right now?
You
Your
didn't have
wife
to
is
fight
tired.
off one line.
James,
You didn't have to stop, kill a gazelle for lunch.
James, can you give your wife a little tenderness? Just freak everybody out, blow their mind, and show them how you can be sweet and tender to me.
I gave you sugar.
James. Give me a kiss right here, James. Right here. James, right here. James, right here. Give me a kiss right here.
I'm gonna call Disneyland and tell them their princess got lost.
These flies. Y'all, do any of y'all know what I can do to get rid of flies? I make sure there's nothing out here. We move the garbage cans. I mean, they're ridiculous.
First world problems.
Anyway.
99 cents will buy you a fly swatter.
Anyway, thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. And James.
And me.
We love y'all. We love them.
That's sugar for y'all too.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. There's our trellis. It's crooked. But look at all those cucumbers. James, you gonna fix it for me when it's the ground softens some?
We'll see.
We'll see, translated, means no. Anytime he says we'll see, means no. Right, James?
We'll see.